Now we are going to solve the problem divisible by 9. So the question is 36, 45, 56, 180 and 919. Okay, what is the rules of divisible by 10? That is, if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, the number is also divisible. The given number is also divisible by 9. So 36. See, look at this number 36. So if the sum of the digit, that is 36 means 3, 6. So you must add 3 plus 6, you can get 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So 36 also divisible by 9. Next is 45. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. If the sum of the digit, if you add the sum of the digit, this 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 9 is also divisible by 9. So the 45 is also, the question is given, 45 is also divisible by 9. Next is 56. That is 5, 6. Sum of the digit 5 plus 6. So you can get 11. So 5 plus 6 is equal to what? 11. So 11 is not divisible by 9. So this number, that is given number 56, is also not divisible by 9. So 36 you have to circle and 45 you have to circle because it is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. This 45 is also divisible by 9 and this 11 is not divisible by 9. That is ND means not divisible by 9. Next one is 118. That is 1 plus 1 plus 8. So what is 1 plus 1 plus 8? 1 plus 1 what? 2. 2 plus 8 you can get 10. So 10 is not divisible by 9. So the given number 118 is also not divisible by 9. So ND by 9. So you should not circle the 56 and 118. Next number is 919. That is 919. If the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, that is 9 plus 1 plus 9 is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1 what? 19. So 19 is not divisible by 19. 19 is not divisible by 9. So 919 is a given number. 919 is also not divisible by 9. That is not divisible by 9. So you should not circle this number. So in this question 36 and 45, these two numbers are divisible by 9. So 36, 45, 56, 118 and 919. In this question 36 and 45, these two numbers are divisible by 9. So you have to apply the rules without multiplication. You have to do this sum.